Mom, I want to get you on the camera.
No, I'm good.
All right.
I'm gonna extract my underwear.
I'm videoing.
You want to go do that in the Bird Dog?
Yeah.
Or you want to go back and run this again?
What?
I'll run it. I don't care.
Finish Bird Dog.
Finish Bird Dog.
It doesn't matter to me.
I don't care, whatever works.
And then run it again, the front part again.
Are we? I kind of want to do Bird Dog again instead of Zephyr.
That's a good deal. You can do that. Coming. Okay.
God, I never thought I'd heard those words come out my mouth.
If you want to do Bird Dog again?
For real. All right. We get a little break here. Whoa. I want to see if I can do this. Hold up. All right. I don't want to run into them. Go, 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 go. Go. Dude, going down there, it's pretty steep. I need to raise my gear. I feel like I'm on a circus bike. All right. Ooh, there's roots. Mom, you like Uncle Richie's bike? Ooh, I love the downs. Free parking, man. Dude, these brakes are so nice. Oh, sharp turn. This is the turn. I'm going right on the end. Whoa, I didn't die. Oh my God, holy cow. Oh, I can't go any lower.
Dang, he's a shift, but I can't shift right now. I'm gonna climb, but you can. You want to fight. Lift up again. When you get enough.
Oh my God.
So we're not working so hard.
Oh, holy crap. I mean, poop. Dude.
Whoa. After being on that 29er and getting back on the 20.05.
Oh, never mind. I don't know. Maybe we should have gone back and done that part again. Excruciating. Hey, we're done though. We made it. And yet again, I have not vomited, so
Is that the big one?
we like that. Is that Zephyr?
Holy crap.
How we feel?
When we get there, Tina says she's going to throw it.
I didn't. I didn't.
You on his bike again? No, I want you to ride. I want to ride this one a little bit more.